So hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video I am going to share you another new great DeFi project named Burn Token. There are many scam projects in the market, but I am sharing one of the best project where you can invest your money. The project is Burn Token, and you can check what the project is. A definitely auto yielding and liquidity providing protocol on token on Binance Smart Chain. Okay, here you can check this, and here you can join their Telegram, here you can join their Twitter, you can check their Twitter, here you can Discord, here you can check Reddit, and here you can check the BS scan, which their token contract address. You can check the balance is 0.02 BNB, and you can check all this. Wait a second, you can check contract name is Burn Token, and BNB value is 12.40, and Burn Token is a tracker contract creator, and here you can check all this. So this token is just started. You can join this token, and here you can check roadmap of their site. Here you can check all the questions regarding to this, what are Burn Token. You can read out this all expand team, how they are stressed, how they are making their contract, and all that secret mission of their site, Burn Token merchandise, Burn Token monthly burn. You can check all this here, all this. Okay, and when you go down you can check it's already listed on PancakeSwap. So simply you can buy now from PancakeSwap. Also you can check white paper of here. Burn Token is definitely auto yielding liquidity protocol on Binance Smart Chain, where each transaction there will be 10% fee. Okay, sorry, 5% of every transaction will be burned to all of the holders. 2.5 will be burned into BNB, and 2.5% will be paid with BNB, will be locked in the liquidity pool for 5 years after getting burned. Okay, you can read out all here, and here you can Burn Token distribution wallet. You can also read the Burn Token team will be holding all the remaining circulating burn supply, and will be doing a monthly 1% circulating burnt supply. Burnt in the distribution wallet will be 50% burnt and 50% equally redistributed to all of the partaking in the burn distribution wallet. Minimum of 5 billion burnt. Okay, read out this also here. Here check out their tokenomics. Here total supply is 1000 T, and burn supply is this much. 54.43 is already burned. Circulating supply is this. Airdrop is this much. Private sale allocation is 50 T, where 1 BNB is equal to 5 T. Okay, pre-sale allocation 120 T, 1 BNB is called 40. PancakeSwap and liquidity protocol. You can check all this. Token name is Burn. Okay, so nothing more to here show. Here you can join their again social media. Here you can check the list disclosure also, and legal disclosure you can read out. Then you have to invest. Without reading, not invest. Now the main topic, how to buy. Simply click buy button now here. When you click buy button now here, it will take you to PancakeSwap. Simply click I understand here and click continue. Simply connect your wallet. Simply I choose MetaMask. So simply select any wallet from which you want to send. I will unlock this wallet. Now simply when you click this, simply do next, and connect your wallet to this PancakeSwap, and your wallet will be connected here shown, and you can check burnt balance. Like if you want to buy with 1 BNB, you will get, sorry, 1 minute. So if you want Burn Token and want BNB from it, so you can check if 1 BNB you will pay, you will get this much of Burn Token. Simply then what you have to do is, then it will here say you to simply send payment, and swap button you will get here, and simply put it, and you will get the Burn Token in your any address which you did deposit. So the site and the token is very great. If you want to invest, you should do invest here. Thank you for watching the video.